Hi, this is Eric with MSA, and today we're going to talk about the new MSA Cairns XF1 fire helmet and how to replace the soft goods. The entire catalog of Cairns fire helmets has replaceable soft goods for easy removal and laundering, and the XF1 is no different. So the first step is to take the XF1 helmet and remove the ear lap. Squeeze the tab that is near the temple of the helmet and walk the ear lap back all the way through, releasing the tabs and pulling them from the holes that they are inserted into. Once the ear lap is removed, move on to the headband liner. There's a set of 4 hook and loop fasteners, so disconnect each of the hook and loops, and the headband liner should come straight out. With the ratchet pad, there is 1 continuous length of hook and loop, and once you disconnect that, pull the pad out of place, and it is now off the helmet. To reassemble, start with the ratchet pad and use that hole in the back of the ratchet pad to go around the knob adjustment, and the hook and loop should seat itself perfectly around that. And then for the headband liner, start with the velcro tabs on the inside of the headband and then walk that down and around, and the hook and loop should mate with itself and walk around the entire headband. With the ear lap, insert the tab towards the rear of the helmet, and then the other tabs should walk themselves straight into the holes that they're designed to go into. Repeat steps on the other side, and you have replaced the soft goods in your MSA Cairns XF1 fire helmet.